a 4 ohm resistor wire is doubled on it. Calculate the new resistance of the wire. So when someone tells doubled on it, this is what it means. So we have a wire right. So I have what I've done is I have copied the same. So when they tell doubled on it, it means you reduce the length by you fold it basically. Right? When you fold something, what happens? The length will reduce by half. So doubled on it means you are folding it. Okay, so if you fold it to half, what happens? So the length will reduce by half, is it not? So it will become something like this, right? So that's what doubled on it means. Means you are folding it to half. Of course, the thickness will be something else altogether. It won't be the same, and the thickness will increase. It will become fatter, right? It will become something like this. So basically, it look like this. That's what doubled on it means. The length is reduced by half, and the area of cross section will double. So this is what the effect we are looking at. So doubled on it means we are basically, it's a fancy way of telling being folded once, right? If you fold it once, it's like doubled on it. I hope you guys understood the language. It's not that hard. So same structure. Let the original wire's length. So I'll take the length as 2L, 2 times of L meters, right? Since we are reducing by half, the new one is reduced by half. So this is good enough. The area of cross section is okay. That won't get affected to that extent. I mean, it does get affected. I mean, it gets doubled actually. So I need not take it as 2A or something. And the resistivity, same material. So I just resistivity. That's equal to rho ohm meter. And we have resistance 4 ohm. So what I would like you guys to do is pause it and try to figure out what can be the answer. So this is given. And now let me begin with the wire. When doubled on itself, the length will be 2L by 2, that is L meters. Then we have area of cross section 2A, it becomes double meter square actually. Then we have resistivity. What will happen? Nothing will happen to resistivity. Simple reason being, resistivity is like rate of anything, right? Rate is fixed. Rate of any material is fixed. How much you buy is left to you guys. So next part is finding the resistance. Quite simple. New resistance by old resistance. Put down the formula. So rho L nu by A nu dividing rho divided by L naught by A naught. These are old. So this is rho L nu by A nu into 1 by rho into A naught by L naught. So rho gets cancelled. L nu happens to be L. A nu happens to be 2A. And this is A itself. And this is 2L. So you can see what is happening, right? So instead of becoming 4 times, it is 1 by 4th. This is 1 by 4th. Again, it's the square of 2. we are doubling on it, so it became square of 2, right? That's a trick. But instead of increasing, it reduced. Use your common sense. You have less distance to travel, more thickness means what? You'll use less energy. Is it not? So basically, your final answer is R new is equal to 4 times the old resistance. So old resistance is 4 ohm. So we have the answer to be 1 ohm. Right? So always write it afresh. And this is your final answer. So please pause and have a look at the answer.